Okay, so my name is Brian. This is the 80s retro car. As you can see, there's video games throughout, inside and out. But your category trivia, there's 4 categories: either movies, cars, video games, or cartoons. What are you up for?
I'll take video games.
Or toys.
I'll take video games.
All 80s related. Video games. Name the video games in. All right, name the video games in this box, and you'll get your prize. You ready?
All right.
Could be a group effort.
We have Super, Donkey Kong, Mario, Spyro, Zen, Mortal Kombat, Sonic.
How is that even possible? That is the quickest one I've ever seen.
I know my games.
But there's 2 of you, so if you want to win another prize, pick another
I don't know
category.
his games nearly as well as he does. So.
Pick another category, win another prize.
What other categories were
So
there?
all that's left is movies, cars, toys, or cartoons.
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 I don't know.
80s or 90s cartoons.
Oh, I'm gonna be so bad. Here we go.
Which one?
Let's try it.
80s or 90s?
What do you think I'd do better at? 90s.
90s cartoons. All right, name these cartoons. Here we go.
SpongeBob.
Yep.
There's Powerpuff Girls.
Good.
There's Futurama.
Good.
There is, I know what it is. I just can't remember its name right now.
You can help.
South Park.
South Park.
Good.
Yeah. I can't tell what these are. That's not nice. Rugrats. Yeah.
Good.
What?
Pinky and the Brain.
Good.
Pinky and the Brain.
Then you need those.
I don't know.
Alright, Johnny Bravo.
Oh wait, is that Stewie?
Good.
Family
Yep,
Guy? Okay,
yep.
I didn't.
No,
I
these
didn't
2.
figure that out at first.
That's the last 2.
Bender from Futurama.
Good.
And that's Ren and Stimpy.
You're good. All right. Let me shut these off. Now,